Winter is the only season that gives me hope to grow many types of vegetable and flowers in my small balcony garden, and in rest of the seasons my plants do not get sunlight. So during that I grow shade loving plants. All of my indoor plants come out and grow nicely under the bright light. As my balcony gets sunlight in the winter only, I utilize every space of it, though it is a wall or floor. I pack this small space with all vegetable and flower plants. So let's quickly go to the balcony and see what I am growing this season. A few days back I changed the location of all the plants. Previously all the flowering plants were here. Now I kept all the vegetable plants. So let's start from this side. Here are the newly grown brinjal plants. Only one plant is grown with true leaves. There is a chance only one or two plants will survive and grows healthy in every 10 seeds. So I always sow more seeds. The fruit comes in a bigger size and color is a mix of white and green. These are cherry tomato plants, the red ones. Though you see many of them, I need one plant here. I will take out the rest of the plants later. Again, these are brinjal plants. The fruit color is purple. Here is one okra or ladyfinger plant. I sowed many but lost a few of them due to heavy rain. Being in Maharashtra, I must tell you, here the rainy season means no show sun. The season starts in the mid of June and persists till October end, or may rain for a few days of November too, but rains heavily all the time during these months, so I always sow seeds in late October. Anyway, I am hoping to see a few okra plants as I have added more. Next, these are tomato plants, heirloom varieties. A lot of tomato plants are grown here, though I need one plant only. So later I'll remove all and keep one or two plants. These are radish plants. Here I have put a few cloves of garlic. They have started growing. These are also tomato plants but a different variety. These are pumpkin, my favorite plants. Every season I try to grow this plant. I especially like the flowers of these plants. Not only me, my daughter likes it too when I cook. So the recipe is pumpkin flower pan fried, and the taste is amazing. These are chrysanthemum plants growing very slowly. Not only this, all the plants are growing slowly this season. It is raining most of the time and plants are growing slowly without the sun. I have pruned these rose plants hard. New shoots have started growing. Prune your rose plants if you have not pruned yet. In this grow bag, this is turmeric. These are Malabar spinach plants. These plants came out automatically from the seeds of the plant that was growing in this bag earlier. A lot of birds come to my balcony to eat the fruits of this plant. So birds are the reason for seed dispersion here. Can you see these leaves? These are chili plants. The color of chilies are black with a strong flavor but very spicy. Here is a capsicum plant. I sowed many seeds but a few of them grew up and dead eventually. Only this one is alive and growing healthy. I hope it will grow up healthy and bear fruit later. This is a French bean plant. Can you see the flowers? The plant is still small but started flowering. I'll remove the flowers and allow the plant to become healthy first. This is a long bean plant. Here are snake gourd plants. Vine plants need support to grow. I'll give support to these plants once they grow. Like garlic, I have also grown onions. New plants started growing here. Only for leaves I grow garlic and onions. Here I have grown mustard. A few plants are grown in this part of this basket. Rainwater washed away all the seeds from this tray. Again I will add more seeds here. Here you see a few amaranthus plants. Can you see this part? A layer of soil was washed away with rainwater. Plants are not also growing nicely due to rain. I'll sow coriander seeds as well, but I will wait till the time rain stops and winter starts, then I'll sow seeds. My balcony is a small space to grow every vegetable. I grow a few of that, though I want to grow all. Apart from vegetable plants, I have grown seasonal fruiting and flowering plants. I will surely share it with you, but in another video. This is how I have prepared my garden for the winter season. I have shared all the vegetables that I am growing on my small balcony this season. I hope this video will motivate you to set up your garden and grow some vegetable plants on your home balcony. Grow all the winter season plants before it becomes too late and you miss the season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more videos like this and hit the bell icon to get message about the new videos. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.